everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to add or change the logo on your Streamlabs donation page. First, go to streamlabs.com and open your dashboard. On the left side panel, look for the Earn and Grow section. Under that, click on Tipping to open your My Tips page. Below My Tips, you'll see 4 tabs. You'll start on Tip Methods, but click the next one, Tip Page Design. You'll see 2 sections here. You'll see Content first. Then scroll down to find the Design section. Make sure you're in the Design section. Under Design, you'll see the option called Theme. It's set to Main Site Design by default. Click the drop-down and select a different theme, like Day, Night, or Custom. The logo option will appear as long as you're using any theme other than the default main site design. Make sure your logo is ready and is sized 256 by 256 pixels. To add your image or video logo, you can either enter an image URL by clicking the chain icon or upload the file by clicking the arrow up icon next to the X. I'll upload an image, so I'll click the arrow up icon. That will open the media gallery. I'll be dragging my image in, but choose whichever method works best for you. If you uploaded a file, you'll see your image appear in the media gallery. Click on your logo, then click the green select button in the bottom right. Once you're done, click the Save Changes button at the bottom left of the screen. A pop-up will appear at the top right saying that the settings have been saved. To check if it worked, scroll back up until you see the Your Tip page. Click the link to copy your tip page URL. Open a new tab, paste the link, and hit enter. Now let's check the donation page. Look at the top left corner and see that the logo has changed. If you want to learn how to add or change the banner on your Streamlabs donation page, watch the next video.